Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to take a drone tour of the construction of a commercial building on Haining Road. And Haining Road is in Kingston 5. It's actually in the New Kingston area. And in the background you can see some buildings from Knutsford Boulevard, which is the main road in New Kingston. Now, Haining Road is probably a 1-minute drive from Knutsford Boulevard. So what we're looking at is a commercial building. Now, the area is a mix. It has some commercial buildings. It has some residential. Further up the road, that's another commercial building. That's where you have the DHL office. But if you look directly in front and to the right, those are residential apartments. Okay, so this building is 7 floors and it's located at 13 Haining Road. And there is a lot of construction going on in Jamaica. Just in New Kingston alone, there are probably like 10 buildings going up. Some residential, some commercial. So this is one of the commercial ones. And to the left, I'm not sure you can't see it from this view, not to the left, to the right is One Belmont, which is another commercial building that's going up. So there's a lot of construction going on in the city of Kingston, actually in Jamaica on a whole, but New Kingston has a lot of developments. Just to give you an idea, this building is 7 floors, but this building is probably considered small compared to some of the other developments that are going up. You have 3 buildings over that are to be over 20 floors, and they're all in the New Kingston area. The Rogers is 20 floors, it's residential, and you have the Ascent, which is 27 floors, which is a mix between residential and commercial. And there is a building to go up on the property of the Wyndham Hotel, which will be between 28 and 32 floors. So that's just to give you an idea of the kind of development going on. Also, a lot of commercial office space is going up. You have this one here on Haining Road, you have one on Belmont, you have the Ascent, which is going to be a mix. You have some on Old Hope Road. Usain Bolt is putting up another building. The first Usain Bolt building went up on Halfway Tree Road. So there is definitely a demand for this office space. Not to mention BPOs are building out like crazy in Jamaica. They have gotten to the point now where they're building buildings for BPOs. On Halfway Tree Road, 58 Halfway Tree Road, they are actually putting up a building. Not sure if it has started yet. It's going to be 10 floors, and they already have the space booked out for BPOs. In Portmore, you have BPOs going up. In Montego Bay, they're building a building that has 4 towers at 28 floors each, and that's also part of the BPO, or it's for a BPO. So definitely a lot of construction going on in Jamaica. This building doesn't look like it's going to finish this year. It's February now, and probably next year this building will be finished, but as we said, it's going to be for commercial use. Alright guys, so enjoy the rest of the video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.